Hey guys, my name is Christopher Haper. I'm with HR Professional Solutions, a division of Specialty Risk Insurance. Today I want to talk to you about workers' compensation, injury, and illness management. Here at Specialty Risk, we like to help you manage those cases and to make sure that we can avoid costly medical bills for you. We can do an investigation to see what the real problem was and help keep that from affecting your mod rates over time so we can keep your workers' compensation premiums down. We were recently able to help one of our clients here at Specialty Risk with an injury that happened at their facility. One of their employees thought they had been exposed to a chemical inhalation hazard in the laboratory. They woke up, they had some difficulty breathing and didn't feel well, and they were attributing that to the possible inhalation hazard at work. We made an appointment, scheduled a visit with an occupational medicine doctor, and I went over with them. And after a conversation with the employee, we were able to identify some things that would release the company of liability from this injury. As it turns out, he was recently recovering from COVID-19 within the last 5 or 6 days. He had a long history of severe asthma, and his CPAP machine had quit working on him that night before he went to sleep. So all of those things would contribute to the difficulty breathing, the airway irritation that he was seeing that he thought was because of his exposure at work. After investigation of the laboratory, we discovered there was no true exposure to start with. All the beakers and chemicals were intact, and we were able to relay that to the doctor. He concurred with everything that we had investigated and discovered, and the result of that was we were able to keep that injury from becoming a claim that needed to be reported for workers' comp or be put on an OSHA 300 log. We were also able to make sure that no prescriptions were written for personal issues that the employee had brought up during the visit. That way it didn't have to be on the 300 log that way as well. Here at HR Professional Solutions, what we like to do is take a look at your company, identify risks and hazards, and mitigate those for you. If we see a way that we can help you grow as a business without having to deal with the daily transactional problems of human resources and safety, and we can handle that for you, we'd be happy to do it.